This was originally a Detroit brewery from 1868 on to around 1950. We've had to adapt and figure out to match with the different materials. Some of the different materials you mentioned, we have wood columns supporting the second floor and third floor. So we saved on waste. We were able to reuse the original brick, and it makes it look more authentic. This is going to be a big attraction to bring awareness to this area with the DJs and all the different events that they have going on down here. So it's definitely growing and it's coming back to life.